Creating this YouTube intro is actually easier than it looks, and today I'm going to show you how you can do it yourself. You can find this intro template as well as so many other intro and content creation templates on my Etsy. It'll be linked down below. I even made a secret code for you to use just from coming from YouTube. After grabbing your intro template, you're going to get a PDF file with a link to this template that you open up in Canva, and it should look exactly like this. This is how it looks when you play it. Everything is 100% editable, from the colors to the fonts to the stickers to your videos. You can reuse it over and over again and change it up a bit to repurpose it. At the bottom left hand corner over here, you can see it shows you how long your clip is. You can adjust it to make it longer or shorter. Along with the elements there, you can click on a specific element and do the same thing, drag either sides to make it either shorter or longer. What I always recommend first, and you probably have heard me say it in all of my other videos, is to show all your layers. You just right click, go to layer, click show layers, and that will show you every single element and picture and font and anything that you have on the screen. It will show you that. I recommend this because some elements are in front of other elements, so it's harder to choose the elements in the back, and you don't want to accidentally move something around that you didn't mean to. Right here, I'm showing you how you can change the color of a specific element. Usually there's a color edit tool at the top toolbar, and it's a little color circle. You just click that and click any of the colors on this color palette, or open up the color wheel and customize it there. There will be some moments where you click to edit the colors of an element, but the color edit option does not show up on the top toolbar. If that happens, click on the edit button, go to adjust, and when you scroll to the bottom, it should be there. Sometimes it takes a while to pop up on the top toolbar, but if you don't want to wait, you can navigate to here as well, and it does the same exact thing where you can change the color there. This applies to the background as well. If you want to change the color of the background, you do the same exact thing. I made mine purple just to show you. There are two different kinds of text on this intro. There is a text box that you can just type in whatever you want. You can type in your name here. You can type in your slogan, your phrase, whatever it is you want to put in this text box. And the one on the bottom where it says vlog, those are actually elements. It's not a text box. So you'll have to go into the elements tab and find the graphic letters that I use, or the graphic letters that you need, instead of actually typing anything in. To find the scrapbook letters that you need if you want to edit this, you right click on any of the letters, click on info, and then you click see more like this on the left hand side where the elements usually are. All of the similar ones should pop up there. That is the easiest way to navigate it. You can always search up scrapbook letters, but if you want the same exact, if not similar style to the one that's on the template, this is what I would recommend. Finally, to swap out the videos in the background for clips of your vlogs or any other videos that you have, you're going to need to unlock it. You click the lock twice to fully unlock it. I locked it because when you lock it and you try to move your elements around, it won't snap the elements into that frame. It'll keep your video there and not make any changes. So just be sure you do that after you put your videos in all the frames. It's actually really simple to replace the videos. You upload your videos and you slide it over on top of the frame. It should automatically snap it into place. That is all you need to know to edit this template with your name, the scrapbook letters, and your videos, as well as the colors. You can add more elements if you like. You just search up scrapbook stickers and pick which ones stand out or represent your channel and brand. You can even upload your own photos if you want to add yourself as a scrapbook sticker. Just try to use your creativity and have fun with it. You never really learn unless you just play around with it. And then you are finished. This is the final result of the edited intro template. Again, be sure to grab yours with the code down below, as well as the link down below, and subscribe for more easy tutorials and content creation tips and tricks. That is all I have for you today, and I hope to see you in my next upload.